Hello everyone, I'm Chris with U-Haul. Today we're going to review our heavy-duty vehicle tie-down straps. Let's take a look at the features of this 13-piece kit and some examples for their use on the new U-Haul toy hauler. Our tie-down kit includes an all-weather carrying bag for convenient storage, 4 ratcheting tie-downs with a twisted snap hook, 4 tie-down straps with a twisted snap hook and an integrated D-ring, and 4 axle and wheel straps with built-in protective sleeves. Each strap is rated to 3,300 pounds working load and 10,000 pounds brake strength, and when all 4 are used, you will have a combined working load of 13,200 pounds. Now let's take a look at some common vehicle tie-down points in securing your vehicle with the U-Haul tie-down kit. First, safely load your vehicle onto the toy hauler. For detailed loading instructions, follow the toy hauler loading video I will link on the screen. 4 tie-down straps are required to properly secure your vehicle in tow to the U-Haul toy hauler. The vehicle curb weight should never exceed the working load limits of the straps. Depending on the vehicle you are securing, you will be faced with different ways to strap it down. Let's begin in the front of the vehicle. The first preferred component to tie down a vehicle is a straight axle. Wrap the snap hook of the tie-down strap around the axle and secure it to the integrated D-ring. Attach the tie-down ratchet snap hook to the trailer D-ring. Feed the webbing of the strap through the spindle of the ratchet and pull snugly. Now begin ratcheting the handle until tight. Lock the ratchet handle by pulling up on the inner handle and securing it until it no longer opens. Always secure excess strap webbing to prevent damage. Now repeat for the opposite side of the axle. Our second choice for a component to tie down the vehicle will be the lower control arm. As you can see, this vehicle does not have a straight axle. It has independent suspension, and it has CV axles, which we will never use as a tie-down point. Also, there are tie rods in here that you will also never use as a tie-down point. Pass the snap hook of your tie-down strap around the control arm and secure it to the integrated D-ring. Attach the tie-down ratchet snap hook to the trailer D-ring. Feed the webbing of the strap through the spindle of the ratchet and pull snugly. Now begin ratcheting the handle until tight. Now repeat for the opposite side of the axle. Now let's look at some common tie-down points in the rear. Again, we have a straight axle. This time, we have brake lines and cables in the way. Make sure never to wrap the tie-down straps or axle straps around any brake lines, cables, or wires. Instead, pass them underneath the cables, lines, or wires. If the snap hook is too large to pass underneath the lines, the axle straps can be used. Pass the axle strap D-ring underneath the cable lines and wires, as it is more low profile than the snap hook. Attach the tie-down strap's snap hook to the axle strap D-rings. If the tie-down strap snap hook does fit under the brake lines, it is the preferred method to use. At the rear of your trailer, you may find the D-ring too close to the back of the vehicle, and this corner D-ring not a straight shot from your tie-down point. We do not recommend crossing straps in the rear. Rather, you can pass the end of the tie-down strap through one D-ring and connect the ratchet tie-down to the other and then ratchet them tight. In the absence of a straight axle in the rear, we will again use a control arm. Ensure the strap goes around a control arm and not a shock or coil. Remember, if one D-ring is too close, try the other D-ring in the back. Ratchet tightly, and again, do not cross the straps. Remember to secure the excess webbing to prevent damage. An additional tie-down point for the vehicles are the wheels themselves. The integrated tie-down strap or the axle strap can be used to secure the tires. When using the rim as a tie-down, choose the highest point on the rim you can safely access. The built-in sleeves are adjustable to protect the finish of your rims. Additionally, if the snap hook is too big to fit through the rim, the trick is to route it backwards first. Take the webbing end of the strap and pass it backwards through the wheel. Remember, if there's too much strap, route the webbing through one D-ring and bring it to the other. Now ratchet your front tires and the opposite side of the vehicle. Double check strap tightness after 50 miles, periodically throughout your trip, and retighten them as needed. That concludes our review and use of the U-Haul tie-down kit. Please remember to practice safe trailering, and I can't wait to see you out there. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with your local U-Haul hitch professional, please visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. You can also download the U-Haul app using the link in the description for even more ways to manage your hitch and towing needs.